Your daily encouragement. Romans 8 verses 3-4. For God has done what the law, weakened by the flesh, could not do, by sending his own Son in the likeness of sinful flesh and for sin. He condemned sin in the flesh, in order that the righteous requirement of the law might be fulfilled in us, who walk not according to the flesh but according to the Spirit. These verses really make me think about the gravity of what Jesus did for us. I think when a person says Jesus died for their sins, the weight of the cross is overlooked. Those of us with a conscience feel the weight of sin no matter how big or small. Imagine taking the sins of the world from the past, present, and future. Think of the stress you would go through. The atrocities of utmost evil he took in the flesh, and then sin was condemned in the flesh. Praise be to God for washing away our sins. Those of us that are born again are made righteous through Jesus' sacrifice. He was the spotless lamb that atoned for the world's sins. I hope this video encourages you. Remember, he has saved us and set us free from sin and death. Share this with those who are not saved. Please be sure to like and subscribe. Help me reach 100 subs on YouTube. May Christ bless you.